Every day I upload free house designs on my subscriber demand, so the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area and a breakfast counter and a sliding door. After that we will go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and chair arrangement. Also two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this living room. And if we go on the left side, so we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and dining counter with 3 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area and ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the 2 BHK tiny house design you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.